Hey there, Sylvia Gorenszach here. How is everybody doing? So today we're going to do this little feathered look, another abstract design because they are so easy. Like I've mentioned before in my other videos, I've used so many colors in this one. With this finger that I have remaining here, we're going to use Fairytale, Twist, Knockout, Lady in a Dress, and Peaches and Cream. So let's get right to it. With our first color, we're going to use Knockout and use this little fan brush that you get from the Creativity Kit and just put a little bit of polish on all the bristles. And then on an angle, swoosh it down. Looks good. Let's give that a full cure. Next, we're going to use Fairytale Twist and do the same thing, just maybe not apply so much polish because I want to see some of this Knockout bleeding through the Fairytale Twist, and do the same motion over top. Now, what I'm going to do is, instead of using the fan brush like this, I'm going to put it on an angle to just fill in a couple more lines, a little bit thicker. With a very light touch. Okay, we'll give that a cure. I should mention that I do clean this brush in between each color using the cleanser pad. And now the reason why I cure each layer individually is because, say for example, I have the Knockout on there and I didn't like the way that Fairytale Twist looked on top of that, then I can just wipe off Fairytale Twist and everything underneath is still going to be intact, because then we don't have to redo the whole nail, right? So now let's dip into Peaches and Cream and do the same thing. And let's give that a cure. Next, we're going to take Lady in a Dress and just apply a little bit on the bristles because I don't want it to cover up the Peaches and Cream entirely, and put it over top the Peaches and Cream section. Yeah, I think I like that. What I'm going to do is actually take a little bit of Peaches and put it in this section right there. Okay, let's give that a cure. Now, with every nail art manicure that I do, I always put a coat of Clearly Frisky on. So here you can see I put a coat of Clearly Frisky on here, and it just kind of levels it out. Especially with the lines, it's going to be a little bit raised and bumpy. This will just fill it all in and make it all level and look polished. Excuse the pun. There you have it. A nice fun manicure for summertime, and I've used so many colors, I will list them in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to tune in for my next one. Thanks, and ciao ciao.